Hi, my name is Mangu Joseph. I rep Likpakpaaln to the world. Our new project we talked of bringing out t-shirts and other things. The t-shirts are out, and I just want to announce to you that you can contact us wherever you are, and you'll get one for yourself. We are projecting the culture to make sure that the language, Likpakpaaln to the world, the culture, our food, everything, Likpakpaaln to the world, go far and far. Thank you for listening to me, and my brothers here, my friends here, my co-Likpakpaaln mates here will also say something. But ndia mpakaba kan Libakurwe come pay come ke ayoko kwanja be adi Likpakpaaln to the world atata be abela kpolo anu to pa mbora ngatu nyubia.
Yeah, be mo umbarbe in rep Likpakpaaln to the world. In fact, Likpakpaaln ye ili te pana ta ha kweli ba kwa Likpakpaaln. So chate te dili ke do gwendunya duka. So I bakal I pet to dili gwendunya duka ke ta Libakul meneli na an kunga ke pien le sab no mo duka na a pien le ke Likpakpaaln mo ke is ayo panjala supporters.
Yes, be material but in support Likpakpaaln to the world. I'm support Likpakpaaln to the world. Kiche talimba mbonyo kicho kama tunaweza kupata kwa digital Likpakpaaln to the world mumbo digital so that kama bini wan kama mbeke Likpakpaaln buguru betunya because to Likpakpaaln la program University of Winnipeg. So secretary bell Likpakpaaln to the world kiche Likpakpaaln tali mumbo nyobo ke do it lakba Likpakpaaln Winnipeg buguru bell Likpakpaaln Winnipeg ya in support Likpakpaaln to the world nkicha mbakuru ntabina te ngabwa obia ampa ko bako un support Likpakpaaln to the world ke da bako wan ke de pim ke nyu Likpakpaaln to the world.
Thank you so much. I rep Likpakpaaln to the world.
I rep Likpakpaaln to the world.
I support Likpakpaaln to the world.
Bye bye.